Hello and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how I make my thumbnails. So first of all, you want to go to Pixlr. I've got it bookmarked right here, but so if I just go to Pixlr, you can see this is where I make all of my thumbnails. So what you do from here, you can create new, and then I go to thumb 720p, create, and now what I do from here is I just search up background, and you hopefully not spell it wrong, but I just scroll until I find one that I like. So say I'll just get this one, I'll copy it and take it over to here, and then I'll just make it fit. So then I've got my background. So then say I was making a video on I don't know, something about the battle bus, I don't know, first thing that came to my head. So I'll just search up battle bus and then try and find a PNG, just like this. So I've got a PNG of the battle bus, I go here, I add my image and try to have like kind of matching colours because it attracts the eye more, and make it quite simple, because remember, viewers that will look at them will see it from like something like this. So I'm going to have this battle bus be right here, and then I would go to my text, and then I place that down, add a text layer, and change the fill to white. Then I go and pick Andreas as the font. I get the styles, I go to outline, I make it all black, size it up, and then I go down to shadow, do the same by changing the colour to black, bring the blur up, I put the direction up and the opacity, and just pick a direction that I want. I usually put the distance up a bit more, and then I just really just make it a bit bigger so you can actually read it. And I'll just write battle bus because I have no creativity right now, because I'm not actually making a video on that. So say we got the battle bus in creative, I don't know, I would just put battle bus in creative with a question mark, because I make things like question because more people would click on it for that. And try not to repeat your title. You may just want to repeat the title, but it's not very effective. And well, I have done it in the past, but try to do something that varies around it. Like for my updates, on last update that I have on my thing right now, I've got cloud props in Fortnite Creative, and then I've got a picture of the racetrack, and I've got new primitive shapes in Fortnite Creative as on the thumbnail, as to, you know, there's all these new things and not just repeating the title. And from here, that's basically all I do. I do sometimes do other things, like with Luna Royale, I'd add the Luna Royale logo and have my own special way of doing that. But honestly, that's how I make thumbnails, and I really hope this helped you. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, and if you want to follow this channel, then subscribe. And if you want to be the first to be notified when I upload, then turn on notifications and leave a comment to leave your feedback if you want. And peace.